Dear students, in today's session, we are going to discuss a question which was asked by my one of the student called Praveen in the last inner circle call, where we discuss about the doubts if someone has taken my paid course. So there he asked, can we put the watch point on field symbol in SAP ABAP? And my answer was yes, we can put, but when we tried, it was giving me the error. Let me show you what the error we were facing. So I'm already logged in into the system. Go to AC38. Let me log in quickly once again. So here I have again logged in. Go to AC38. Already I have created one sample program, and the sample program name is ZPK test. Let me go into the change mode. And here you can see that I have defined one field symbol of type Mara, taking 10 records from the Mara table and putting into this internal table using the inline declaration and putting the loop on this internal table, assigning to this field symbol. And here I'm printing one by one. So if I run this one, this is what it is printing. Now my requirement is to put the external, put the watch point. So press F8 and I will show you what's the error I will be getting when we will be putting the watch point on this. So click on this watch point and now go here and click on this OK. You can see that variable fs does not exist. So here this is the first error because the assignment has not happened at this point of time due to that. So come over here F6 and here though the assignment is happened now, right? You can see that the value is coming over here in this field symbol. It's referring to this particular to these values. And now if you do once again and come over here and try to put the watch point over here, see here what it's giving. Watch point cannot be created, area of validity. So this is not possible to have direct watch point on the field symbol. Even if you search on the SCN community and or in Google, you will get the same answer. But there is a blog written by uh, Brian O'Neill. He has used the debugger script concept in order to put the watch point on the field symbol. It is a kind of work around. So full credit goes to this Brian O'Neill. He has nicely explained. However, some images are not coming, but I have done my research and prepared uh, and tasted, and that's why I'm taking these to you everyone. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. So the very first step, what you have to do, you have to go to the transaction SAS. So the very first step, in order to create the debugger script, the first step you have to go to the T code SAS, and here you have to create one debugger script program. Okay, so create debugger script program, and when you will create the debugger script program, then that program you can load during the debugging as we do generally. So let me give you the brief idea how the script debugging works. So let me click on this F8, activate this, activated. Now press F8. So here you will have to come here, okay, descript a script, and let's suppose like if you want to load some script which you want to use during the debugging, here you can come and you can give the required debugger script. You can see that there are many debugger script is there. So I will quickly show you one example, one very good use case of using the debugger script. Let's suppose you have a transaction over here mm01. Okay, let's go to the mm01 and try creating a one material. Okay, so I think this system is not visible. Let me go and share me the entire system so that you will be able to see this one. Okay, now I believe it's visible, and come over here. Let me check if it is visible or not. Yeah, it's visible, yes. And instead of showing the screen, let me share everything so that there will not be any confusion. Okay, fine, good. So now come here and creating one material, maybe ZABC, and industry sector, chemical industry, the material type, maybe something like this, and change number, material, all these things is fine. Press enter. The basic data is coming. Click on this, press enter, and it will open the new screen, right? There we can give the description, some text, base unit of measure EA, material group and all. I think it's fine, right? What I want to do actually, I want to see which at where the code is written in order to insert the new material, which is ZABC, right? So there will be anywhere some open SQL statement which is inserting the new material in Mara table. Let's suppose this is my requirement and I want to find the exact code where that is written. So for that purpose, we can use the debugger script concept. So let's go and do this. I'm activating this one, uh, act, uh, a debugger, and click on the save button. Go to the more, and maybe we'll be having save here because this is the Fury screen, Fury GUI. That's why it is coming like that. Okay, and now again I will be going to debugger, and here we have to go to the debugger settings, in fact. So settings, change debugger profile or settings, and click on this update debugging, because generally the SAP standard T code and do the update in the update function module. That's why I have selected so that it will stop over there. Otherwise it will be difficult, right? And what I can do, that I can go to the script, and my requirement is whenever material record is created into Mara table, there it should stop. So there is no dynamic breakpoint or something like that which you can use directly on the Mara table. So you can use the script, click on this load script, and here press F4 and search with the table. Search with the table. Just search here. Sorry. Find with the table over here. Okay. And here you can see that debugger script stop at DB update, but only for a specific table, right? So this debugger script we can use for the purpose of our requirement, right? So this one, okay, rstpd underscore script underscore bp underscore change underscore tab. Select this one and click on this save a script. So now you can see that your script has been loaded over here. So what this will do actually, whenever our table will hit, okay, so I'm going to load the script now. Okay, already I have loaded, right? We have already loaded. Now we will execute. Okay, and here you can see that three options you are having after debugger events. Debugger single step, that means whenever you will press F5, the script will be called. This script, whatever the code is here, it will be called. Debugger single step. Breakpoint reached. Whenever the breakpoint will be reached, then this debugger script will be called. And when watch point reached, whenever the watch point will be reaching, your debugger script will be called, right? So these are the three different options we are having, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep as it is, and execute. You have to press F8. Okay, so when you will press F8, it will tell execute, continue, or a script, right? So what I want to run the script. I don't want to continue. I want to run the script. So I'm running this script. Now my script is telling where, which, on which database table you want to have a look when inserting or updating the record. So my requirement is obviously Mara table I want to look into. Now click on this execute, right? And now you will see that it will stop whenever it will encounter any insert or update on the Mara table. See, it's executing still. It's executing, right? It's taking some time. Let's wait. Yeah, and you can see that the control has come over here, right? That action cancelled by user, but you know this update function module has triggered, right? Update function module has triggered material update underscore db, right? So it, that particular insert statement was not there in the main program. That's why it didn't stop over there. So again, what I will do, I will reload the script, the same script, right? Load the script, come over here, the script for inserting or updating the table, rstpd underscore script underscore bp underscore chain underscore tab. I will select this one by double clicking and save the script. Again, this script has come into effect, and now click on press F8 once again, and I want to run once again the script. So click on this script, and again we will give the Mara. Just we are interested in Mara tables. Give the Mara, okay, and press F8, and you can see here, right? This is what we wanted. We were looking for. Insert into Mara values Mara, right? This is what we were looking for. So this is the place where your data is getting inserted into the Mara table. So you got some idea how we can use the debugger script, right? So in the same way, we will be creating our own script file to put the, you know, uh, to put the watch point. That will be a workaround. Okay. So again, I'm pressing F8, and I simply want to continue instead of running the script. If you want to run once again a script, maybe you can click on this script, and you can see that you have come out from the debugger because there is no another Mara statement on which insert or update is happening, right? So by this way, you can find the place where update or insert is happening, right? If you find useful this particular learning, please make sure to write in the comment box that this learning is really very useful. It will boost up my confidence, and I will be keep on coming with the same kind of videos in future for you for free. Thanks in advance for giving me the comment and boosting up my confidence. Now, the second part of the a video we are going to, and there what we are going to do that we'll be creating our own script. So how you can create your own script, let me come out from, right? Just this is the previous program, that material creation is already taken place. We have come out, right? And that JWC has been created. Quickly, I will show you that has been created. Mara, press F7, and we have given JWC, right? So we'll have to click on the content. Let's go and click on this content and give JABC we have given, right? Press F8, and this has been just created just now, 27th December 2021, and this is my username, right? So it got created. So that part is gone, and this is my program where I want to put the watch point on this particular field symbol, right? What we have to do that we will be creating one, you know let me come out from this. Okay, so go to slash OSAS. SAS is the transaction where you can create your new script. Okay, so what I will do, I have already created one script. Okay, I have already created one script, and that script I will be opening and I will be showing you, okay, that particular script. So let me just open that one, click on this load script, and I have created with Z name, ZRSTPD underscore script underscore ZPK test. And what I will do, I will completely give this code in the URL in the description box. From there, you can click on the URL and you can get the complete code. So what actually you have to do, if let's suppose if you have to create your own script, let me copy this one so it will be easy for me to explain quickly. Otherwise, to write itself, it will take a little more time. Okay. So when you will open the SAS, here you have the option to create the script. So click on this create a script, and now come over here and you have to start the name with Z. So Z, let's suppose Z SAP take made easy script demo. Okay, I'm creating the another script to just showcase you, and just how to put watch point on field symbol. Save a script, local package, that is fine. And this is what the new script, you can see the template got automatically created. Okay, so the very first step, what actually you have to do, let me show you step by step. It will take some time, but it will be good for you to understand. Okay, and if we got somewhere stuck, we will take the help of the notepad file which we have already copied, right? So see, this is the class, the new class, which the local class in fact here, which is inheriting the definition from the superclass, right? So all the means this class is having the superclass called this one. This is the standard class, global class. From here it is inheriting, right? And this is some method, prologue, init, script, and end. Okay, so this script method is important for us. This script method gets called during the debugging. Okay, so this is the place where we are going to write the code. So come over here, and this is where we will be writing the code. Okay, now what exactly we require? So come to here, where we have written the code, right? What exactly we require, that we want to put the watch point. If you want to push the watch point on FS, you know That also we can do. Or if you want to push the word point on this fs hyphen matner, right? So let's suppose if you want to put the watch point on this fs hyphen matner on a particular variable, not on all the value. Okay, not on all the value, on a particular variable. Okay, so it will be easy, otherwise maybe it will be a stop at many places, right? So however it is in the loop, right? Let's make it simple. Our requirement, let's suppose our requirement that whenever the material number is going to get changed, then the watch point should be able to stop it. So we'll be not using the watch point which will coming during the debugger, because that is not supporting. We will be using the debugger script corresponding to watch point, which will help me to stop over there. Okay, so how to do the code? So here you will have to define one local variable, lv underscore matner, type mara hyphen matner, or simply matner also you can give, right? And then you know then click on this script wizard and go to the variable information, this one, the first one, and then variable value. Okay, and then click on this continue button. So here you can see that one class and their static method gets simple value is populated. What this will do actually, let me write down the step. Get the value from program. Okay, get the value from program. Which value? The field symbol matner value. Okay, get the fs matner value from the program here. Okay, so how you can get it? You have to give this fs hyphen matner over here. Okay, fs hyphen matner, you will have to give it over here. And in importing parameter lv underscore matner, I will be using it over here. Okay, so that material number you will be passing over there, and then that material you will be getting it over here. Let me check if I'm doing rightly or something, if we need to correct. Okay, here you can see that we have to pass in capital letter and in single quotes. Okay, so let me use control u and make it capital, put into the single quotes. Yeah, now it's fine. So this value from the program will be going to this static method, and this static method will be returning my material value in this variable. If you want, you can enable this try and entry. This is a good practice, right? And now what you can do, that you can create one more global variable. This is the local variable, and you can create a one global variable. So come over here and data gv underscore matner, type mara hyphen matner, or simply type matner data element also we can use, there is no problem. Okay, so now uh here here you can write the code. If gv underscore matner, so initially the global variable material number will be blank, right? It, not equals to, you can give not equals to this value. Okay, so the very first time when the new value will come, this statement will become true, right? This statement will become true. So in that case, what we have to do, we have to you know we have to stop, right? So whenever the value is going to get changed, right, whenever the value is going to get changed, we have to stop, otherwise simply we have to exit, right? Simply we have to exit from this method. And in the global variable, what we'll do, that in the global variable lv underscore a partner value we will set, okay, for the next time, or maybe in beginning itself we can do it. Okay, this is fine. Click on this pretty printer. This is, so this is what the script we can write it over here, the simple script what we have it, right? Just save it, save this one, and this is the new script we got it created over here, right? Just copy this one, this is script. Now let's test it whether it's working fine or not. Okay, saving once again and go here, go to the program. Now press F8 and go to this script, and the script which I have just created, this is the script Z SAP TechMedG script demo, and click on this save script, right? Script is now loaded, and now click on this press F8 button, and I want to, run the script. But one thing, just cancel this one at this moment. You have to select, okay, debugger single step is already selected. This is what should be selected, debugger single step. Make sure other thing should not be selected. The first one should be selected. Why? Because on each step program has to check if the value has been changed, right? So for that purpose, so press F8 and click on this script. Okay, and let us see, and you can see that it has stopped over here, right? It has stopped over here. Why? Because the very first time the global variable value was blank, the very first time, see the site abx is 1, right? Site abx is 1 means the very first iteration it has stopped. And if you want to see the value, double click over here, see the first value is 111. Again I'm pressing F8. Okay, second time also it should stop because second material is also different, right? Press F8 and click on this script so that a script will run once again, right? And the second time some problem is there, it has stopped at some another places, no problem. I'm going to so global variable, global variable wherever fs underscore matner it is encountering, you know okay, I will show you, I will let you know why actually this is happening, so nothing to worry. Press F8 once again and click on this script, and you can see that in the this is the first iteration itself. Okay, no problem. Once again you press F8 and click on this script, and you can see that the second iteration also it is getting stopped. Okay, similarly if you press F3, click on this script, again press F3, F8, click on this script, and you can see that, right? So whenever the value is getting changed, your breakpoint, your debugger is getting stopped. This is what the watchpoint does, right? So based upon your requirement, you can do so. One more thing I will tell you quickly. Click on this script, click on this script, and you can see that it is coming into the different program. So if you don't want to, uh, if you don't want your watch point to go into the different program, what you can do that, let me show you that also. Press F8, come to that debugger script which you have written, and before calling this, make sure that this debugger should this script should get called for your program only. So what I will do that, make sure that this debugger script should be called for your program only, right? Now you again click on this script wizard, then what you do that source code information and fast access to source code information program, click on this continue. Okay, and here you will be getting your program name. Again, if you want, you can enable by following the best practices. Come over here and declare one variable, right, to hold the data, or maybe let's see if it is passed by value directly we can it should be passed by value, I believe, because this is the receiving parameter. So directly we can give lv underscore p underscore prg, right? So it should work, right? Inline declaration I'm using, automatically it will be declared. And now what I want to the system, that why this is coming in red, try and try, that is fine. Catch, this is also okay. Try and try, this is fine. This is okay. Okay, let it be in red. Not sure why that is there in the red, but I don't think so there should be any problem. Okay, so here what you have to do, that if this particular value not equal to what, the program, what's the program name, this is the program name, right? So just select this and use the inverted comma, and now you can see that it is in double quotes, right? Single quotes, use the single quotes. Okay, so here you can see that if the program name is not equal to this, come out, right? Why to go for another program to check all these things, right? So I'm just coming out from the method from here itself, right? And check the where is, okay, here check and activate, you will not see, just save it. Okay, just you will have to save it. If there is some issue when you will be loading at that time itself, it will give you the error. Okay, if there is some problem. So now let me show you, this time it will not go into another program, it will stay here in this program only by doing that modification. So press F8 and now click on this watch point. Sorry, you will have to click on this script and you have to click on this load script and click on this what was that one, this one, SAP TechMade easy script demo. And now you can see that it is loaded, right? It is loaded, right? This, and this will help you not to go in another program and stop. Press F8 once again and click on this script, right? Clicking on this script and you can see that very first time it has stopped. Tab X is one, double click in order to verify, right? And now press once again F8. Okay, click on this script and you can see that last time, if you remember, it went into another program, but this time it is not going to, directly it is coming over here. The value got changed from 111 to 19. Again press F8, click on this script, so that the script will run, and again you can see that it is not going anywhere else. Why? Because due to the magic of this particular statement which we have written it over here, right? So hope you understood. If you have to debug the field symbol using the watch point, how you can do. So this is a one, you know, uh, very big drawback of the field symbol, that you won't be able to put the watch point directly on the field symbol, right? Which will be difficult in order to maintain or in order to troubleshoot the issue, right? However, in work area, you can directly put the watch point, right? So if you have to tell one difference between, field symbol and work area, where like field symbol generally we use in order to improve the performance, right? But if the performance is like okay, then better to use the work area, because work area improves the readability. But of course, like if you have to take care of the performance and there is no way, without the field symbol, like in case of having the update for lot of records in internal tables, field symbol is the way, right? Or for the dynamic programming, field symbol is the only way, right? Of course we will go to that, but this is one drawback in order to have the debugging. But to we have the workaround, this script we can use, right? So in order to overcome this drawback, we have the workaround, right? So it is your call what you are going to use. It depends on the requirement, depends on the scenario to scenario, right? Hope you got something good in this session, and I will be coming in the future with such good sessions, good learning, you know. By the time, I'm just going to lay back, but please write in your comment box that you found this session useful and it has a good learning, which will really motivate me. And if you have not like and subscribe, please do a like and subscribe. So thank you for watching, and I will be putting the complete code in the URL in the description box. And also we are starting the live batch of object oriented ABAP from 17th of January with SAP Yard, currently ZAP Yard currently. Earlier it was SAP Yard. So I'm in collaboration with SAP Yard, and those are wonderful people. I'm feeling myself proud to be associated with them, and in collaboration with them, starting from 17th of January, object oriented ABAP live batch. There will be 20 sessions. For more information, you can check the description box. I will be giving the link and everything over there. Thank you for watching and learning and being associated with me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.